Hey everybody, welcome back to Deb with Pradeep. In previous class, we covered about the REST template, how we used REST template in our project, and in today's video we will cover how to use web client in our project. But before this, uh, I need I need a small favor. Okay, please guys subscribe my channel and share my videos because I'm making videos for you without any charges. Okay, so you have some responsibility. Okay, you have to subscribe. Okay, so let's go to IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, in previous class, we have enabled all the settings related to that REST template. Okay, so in today's class, let's start. So first we have to add, go to ChatGPT. Okay, so we have to add this dependency in our pom.xml file. Okay, so go to the micro 2 pom.xml file inside the dependency injections. There, paste this and then sync maven changes. It is taking some time. So if you really like my videos, okay, really like to watch my videos, okay, so please subscribe this because I also need subscriber to do something. Okay, now it is successfully done. Okay, there is no error inside this. So now we have to do some things. Okay, so we already add WebFlux dependency. Now we have to configure web client builders inside the config file. Okay, so this is our config config class. Okay, so let's go. Public web client dot builder. Okay, अपन को ना we have to use web client builder. Okay, and then whatever you want to give a name. Okay, you can give. Okay, there is no fixed name. Okay, so for me web client builder. Okay, and we have to return something web client builder. Okay, now we have to annotate this with at the rate bean because we are creating object. Okay, and we also injected one more thing inside our web client, that is load balance. Okay, so as I told you, we have to use load balanced, okay, for REST template also and for web client also. But in Fiend client, okay, we don't require this because it is automatically injected by their dependency or anything. Okay, so go to controller. Okay, so this is for REST template. Now we will cover another one. Okay, public string. For this we have to use mono. Okay, maybe, yeah, mono type. Okay, and then inside this string, and then call micro. Now we have to inject also private WebClient dot builder. Okay, and we have to annotate with auto void. Now we have to follow some steps, okay, for web client. Return. First we have to this that builder, okay, dot build. Okay, this is for web client, okay, and then the another one is URI. Just a second. Build and then you. Okay, first we have to use that get build dot get. Okay, to fetch something we have to use get, and then URI. Inside this URI we have to give our hard-coded link. Okay, this link HTTP call this one. Copy this. Okay, copy this. Okay, and then we have to retrieve data. Okay, and the last one is body to mono. Okay, inside string dot class, and then it is completed. Now we can call using web client. Okay, first we have to comment this for a second. Okay, and annotate with get mapping. Okay, and same call. Okay, call Eureka server and micro to first we have to run Eureka server. Okay, it is successfully run. Then micro one. It is also successfully run. Then micro 2. Okay, maybe we are facing some issue. So let's check it what it is. Okay, here. Restart an application to display the condition evaluation report. Rerun your application with debug enabled. Okay, go to controller, and in this is builder. Let me check once. Okay. No, it is not correct. I think is this correct? Okay, we can check using our AI tool. Okay, is this correct? Yes, the code is correct only if builder is a web client builder. We named your application using service discovery. Okay. So what is the mistake we check? Okay. It is correct. It is correct. It is correct. It is correct. 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 Okay. S controller web client dot builder builder. Mm, builder. Okay. I already injected this. Get mapping call. Mono string call micro. Return builder build. Get URI is also correct. Retrieve. Okay. Okay, maybe anything we have to comment this also, and then nothing else. Is this okay? Get mapping is call micro one. Okay. Okay. Now rerun the project again. Then here only micro. Okay. Analyze this log using AI. Okay. Because we have to understand this as much as soon as fast as possible. Okay. Yeah, I make your work is very easy. Okay. No one in this world who remember everything. So okay, what is the problem? Your application is failing because of Stack Overflow. Okay, in web client builder, the stack trace so that meta is calling itself repeatedly. Okay, look at your config.class file, especially line 22. The error point to the okay in finite recursion web client builder. Okay. That is the problem. Go to there, config file, and then return. And inside this, what we have to put? WebClient.builder. Client.builder. It is correct, but okay. Check your whatever we mistake we have done. Okay, this is correct. Okay, now we can check again. Okay, now it is working fine. Okay, let's check here. Both service. Okay, registered with Microservice. Oh, that Eureka server. Okay, now go to our favorite postman. Okay, you notice I was not uploaded video regularly because of my job. Okay, so from tomorrow I will upload videos daily. Okay, if possible. Okay, I will try definitely. Okay, it is taking too much time because we often many days after many days. Okay, it's 200 means it is working fine. Yeah. So we saw Fini client, we saw REST template, and the last one is web client. Okay. So in today's video, we covered already, okay? And in next video, we will cover the uh, design patterns, okay? So circuit design pattern, okay? So we will cover this. It is a very important solutions, okay? Uh, for example, uh, you have a multiple services, okay? And if any one service anyhow is failed, okay? So but in another service, okay, it is sending some data, okay, again and again, but second service is not working. So what happen? For sometimes circuit is open, okay. Circuit is three types, okay. We will cover tomorrow's video, okay. So circuit is open, okay. Then all the responses will be stopped for a time, okay, for a minute, okay. Then we will send few requests, okay, to check that this service will work or not, okay. And after that, if it is if it will work, okay, then we will continue our request, okay. If it will not work, then we have to open a circuit, okay. And if it is working, then we have to close the circuit, okay. So we will cover this with tomorrow video, okay. And if you watch this video from now, okay, you have, and please subscribe my channel, okay. Thank you guys, bye bye.